Hi guys, now that spring's here, we've been spending more and more time in our garden, and today I wanted to show you how I collected seeds from this petunia. So once those gorgeous flowers die, you're left with a seed pod like this. They start off green, and as the seeds mature, they become this tan color. Carefully open it and you will find many seeds inside. I believe this seed pod gave me about 20 seeds, but I did read that they have the potential of containing 60 to 200 seeds. Now that's a whole lot of petunias. So here I am just trying to shimmy on those seeds out of the pod. I'm using my fingers and just scraping lightly and collecting them into a tray where I will be holding them for a while. I don't plan on germinating them anytime soon, but when I do, of course I will show the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Music by PC the Third, Ignite to Light.